Thank you for joining me. Today we're getting right into it. This is the family room part 2. We're finishing it off and we're gonna do it quickly. Real quick disclaimer, normally when I share with you guys, I have pretty much decorated and staged what I'm gonna share with you. I take it all down and then I film it for you. So basically my whole house, with the exception of the upstairs bedrooms, is pretty much all decorated for fall. I just haven't had the time to film. So we're chugging right along. Family room, part 2, we're doing this. You probably have seen this in the background, but I took it all down. We're gonna restyle it. We have a mirror from Target. There's my spotlight. You'll see how gorgeous it's gonna look. And here's the cabinet. I'm not really going to decorate the inside of the cabinet because honestly, I'll show you what I added that is sort of fall-ish. But yeah, anyway, we're just gonna style the top. Let's add a lamp. Amazon. Need to have my Papa Green. Absolutely. This is something that's going to stay stationary in my house, and then I'll just add seasonal to it. Also, you all know I love to add that rustic touch. So I'm going in with this to elevate my floral arrangement. Here is that arrangement I made over the summer. Home Goods, Amazon, Michaels. Love this faux moss, it's a must. I'm gonna place that in there. Can we take just a moment to admire accent lighting? This is the spotlight I keep showing you, and boy oh boy, am I a fan of these. The lighting, how it's uplighting the greenery, the side of the pot. I feel like I want to take out a canvas and some paintbrushes and do a still life, accentuating the light. Let's admire how it looks on the ceiling. It's like artwork. At night, it looks like a beautiful mural up on the ceiling. This is beautiful just as, but it's fall. We want to accentuate this arrangement and give it a fall look. So what am I doing? I'm going in with these beautiful fall eucalyptus stems, and we're gonna stick them in there and give it some drama. And boom, just like that, it's a masterpiece. Now check this out. Look at the ceiling. I promise you, at night, it's spectacular. Now, as much as I love the light, we must conceal. So what am I concealing with? This beautiful black bowl from Amazon, along with these beautiful faux artichokes. I'm simply going in with this to sort of conceal the light. You'll see. See what I mean? The light disappears, but yet, you can see how it's backlighting that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Get yourself some of those. So, reflective property, lighting, accent, drama, concealment. Now let's layer. This is the downloadable printable I got from Etsy. It's a beautiful fall landscape. I put it in this matted frame from Michaels. Let's layer. And here is another downloadable printable from Etsy. I love it because it's sort of moody pumpkins, perfect for October. I don't do spooky Halloween. In fact, I used to decorate for Halloween with cutesy stuff like pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns and things like that for my kids, scarecrows. But yeah, this year, not doing it. But I am doing like a moody pumpkin look and feel. We're going to layer over that picture. love it, love it, love it. We need a pop of black. Let's go in with some taper candle holders from IKEA. We're going in with these. Here's the final look. I love it. You can see down below, I've got interior lighting. I love how at night it illuminates my decor. So this little scarecrow I got at the Dollar General or Family Dollar store. I can't even remember what it was called, in 2005. And to this day, this is something my girls want me to take out every single year. And I completely forgot about him. And every time they came over, they're like, Mom, where's the scarecrow? And so yesterday I found him and I said, okay, I'm gonna put him out. And they all came over last night and oh, they were so happy to see him. Isn't he cute? Look at his little hat. I think at the time he was probably maybe $14.99. And I just love him. See his little fiber optic hands and feet and hat and eyes and hair. Okay, now right here on my floating shelf, I'm going in with another downloadable print from Etsy. Again, it's a fall landscape, and as you can see, I just have a candle right there. I'm gonna set this right here. Up there, I pretty much kept it the same, although I did add these beautiful candles up there, the honeycomb, orangey brown candles that are LED. And I love how those candles tie in with my garland. Okay, right here, I'm going in with another beautiful printable. And up there, I haven't done anything. I'm just keeping it the way it is. Okay, so right here on this table by the window, it's the same exact cabinet that's over here in smaller scale. Let's add some fall. Riser. Wreath. I love this wreath from Amazon. I love the texture. I'm a huge fan. I'll link it below. This is Amazon. It's by Creative Co-op. Put an LED candle in it. It's going right there. Vase. I have to add in my pop of black, traditional with a little bit of modern, just a little. This time I'm going in with a deep, dark green. I know it's fall, the leaves are changing, but I just have to have pops of green all over my house in different shades. more of those preserved flowers. You guys know what they're called. I can't pronounce them. I can't, so I'm just gonna say I'll link them below. We're gonna go into this vase. I love the color for fall. I'm adding different textures in case you didn't notice. I'm adding that, then you'll see. I'm doing a little grouping of 3. And now I'm adding in another ambery colored pumpkin to tie in with all the glass pumpkins I've scattered in this room. So there's some accessorizing for you guys today. We had a little party over here last night, so I don't want to do the room tour because there's some things I still need to pick up. But I will do a room tour of the family room probably in the next video. But I do want to share some updates to the backyard. Boy, have we had some fun this weekend. We added an outdoor 180-inch movie screen to the backyard. We got a projector. Now, God willing, if these contractors show up like they say they're going to, we will have rock and mulch and get the rest of the trees planted. But for now, I'll give you a quick update on that. Again, it's not finished. There was some turkey chasing 2 weeks ago, I believe. And you know, just call me the animal whisperer. I've been talking to the deer. All right, let's get into the footage. So this is the new movie screen, and we ended up watching the WVU football game. It was amazing. Go Mountaineers. It was so fun to watch it in the privacy of our own backyard. It was so much fun to watch the game and have a fire going as the sun set. And now in this clip, you can see we've added a landscape island with some shrubs and trees, and we've added lighting. It is gorge. Now in this clip, look at all the beautiful fall colors. Oh, by the way, that telephone line is going to be coming down. We just don't know when. The backyard is an explosion of autumn colors. So in this clip, you'll see this tree, and we got 2 other plum colored trees, and those will get planted sometime this week. But I love how that color pops against all that green. It's really, really pretty. And there's the landscape island. Here's the other one. It's a work in progress. Look who we have here. In this next clip, you're going to see my daughter at one of the neighbors' homes, and she's trying to catch the turkey to return it to the neighbor. I never laughed so hard that day. It was so fun to watch her try to catch that turkey.